Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute mini journal with one of my DigiKits. This one is inspired on the Zen Gardens, and it's only $4.50 to buy in my Etsy store. First I printed all the designs and I show you all the pages. As you can see, a lot of different pages, and we're gonna glue them together to make a cute little booklet. Also, there's a lot of embellishments in the kit. I printed a few of them. I will make some pockets to store them. First, I'm gonna fold these. I cut this with my Silhouette machine, so I made some rounded corners and a scoring line in the middle, which makes folding for me easier. You actually can just cut it by hand, it's not a problem. For me, I use the Silhouette machine because it makes them exactly the same. It makes it just a little more neat. Really try to fold them as neat as possible. That makes a really neat booklet. Now all my pages are folded, and you see I printed them double-sided so that I have a nice front and back, and we can decorate it later. The next step is to glue all the pages together, and I will show you how to do it. You put some glue. I'll get my glue. You put some glue here. Don't glue it all to the edges, it will drip out. Just put some glue, some basic glue, and then put the next page on top of it, and just with the other page spread the glue so that it's spread evenly, and it will make a nice connection. So now we have our first pages already done, and we will continue to glue all the pages together to make a booklet. So our booklet is finished. The basic is done. Just make sure it's nice and even. And as you can see, I really loved all the images in it. Make sure it's glued very well. And now I'm going to use some washi tape to strengthen the spine. I just have to select the color first. I thought of pink at first, but then maybe this green, but no, I think I will use this one. And just use the washi tape to strengthen the spine. My washi tape is not really high quality, sadly, so it's a bit difficult, but it will hold the spine stronger. So this is finished, looks nice. Just flip open all the pages to make sure the booklet is still working well. But it looks good to me. I really like the images. Did I say that? Oh, there was some red ink from my printer. Looks really good. Now, as part of the you get all these small embellishments with it. I printed a few pages of it. There's more than this. And I will have to make some pockets to store them. I think I make one for the front and one for the back. To use that, I will fold just a simple pocket, thin paper, normal copy paper, printed double-sided. I will cut off the white lines here, of course, and cut it in half. And then I just fold 2 pockets. The images for this are also indicated. I fold it. I think you know how to fold this. I'm using the lines of my mat to make it a bit more straight and try to get a nice symmetrical fold. Store all my. I find this is the easiest way to store some of your decorations or journal cards or anything. Just tuck the last part in here. Now see how it fits on my journal. That's a really nice size. So I will put this on the front of the journal and store like this some of my journal cards or decorations I want to use. I will store them in there, and I make another one for the back. The 2 pockets are finished, and I will glue them, one on the front. You can also, if you want, you can do it on the back, or you can do it anywhere, as you know, probably maybe on the inside here or at the back on the inside. I like that spot also. So, yeah, like this. So I will glue them in and show you the result. This is the finished result. I decided to do one on the front and one on the inside on the back. It's really nice pocket, simple folding pocket. So you can put in all your cards. So I want to decorate the pocket a bit and also lock the part we folded in. So I think, yes, I will place a circle here. I really love the lotus, so I already know which one I'm gonna pick. Include the circle on there also to hold the pocket together. I thought it would be fun to show you a little bit of all the decorations that come with my kits. Again, they're only $4.50. You can print them as often as you like, or as many as you like. This you can use to make like a hidden paper clip, really, or anything else. I love the mini photos. I love everything, and it's really versatile. The only thing you really do need is a printer, but you don't need a cutting machine. I did use a cutting machine, but it's not necessary at all. Now I'm going to fill my pockets and show you the end result.